Hey guys, this is Jacques from Akulu Linux and welcome to another video. So yesterday I made a video on AIOS. I showed some basic info on the distro, the new distro. I said we sent it out to the Patreon guys. It's available for them to download. I did send out an email. So the Patreon guys, I'm sure they saw the email. Maybe you're having Christmas. You might get it after Christmas. I don't know. Either way, go grab it. If you're a Patreon user, go grab it. It's awesome. Check it out. I did send out links. Now, we also sent out the first patch today, and that's what this video is about. I want to speak about this new initial first patch. So yesterday's video, I said we wanted to start adding AI at a command level, and that's what this first patch introduces. It adds this option to your right-click menu called AI request, and you can run it anywhere, any folder, anywhere you'll see AI request, desktop, wherever you are. If you're right-clicking, you'll see an AI request, and I've tried to make it simple and easy to use. So when you right-click somewhere and you choose AI request, it just pops up a box, and it says request action for, and then the folder that you're in. So you can type anything here. You can ask it to generate a story, analyze content, list it directly. For example, I could maybe even have 100 files in here. I've only got 3, but I could have 100. I could say, list the files in this directory, save to files.txt. There we go. So I'm saying list the files in this directory and save it to files.txt. It asks you permission before it executes any commands on your PC. I've added the step so that the AI doesn't just go rogue executing commands on the user's PC. You have to OK it first. We say OK, and there we go, verifying step, boom, done, close. Open files.txt, and we should see inside the 3 files. Message. Oh, and that it includes the files there, so you can see that it's got the file list. Very easy. You can also, for example, this is extremely useful for people that don't know how to do things like copying files or creating symlinks or whatever. We can, for example, say create a symlink in my documents folder to the file on my desktop named files.txt. So we're asking it to create a symlink in the documents folder to the file on my desktop named files.txt. Send report, boom. But people might not know how to create a symlink, and so watch what it does now. Just wait for it to finish. There we go, done. If we go to documents folder now, we open up here, and there's a symlink. Look how easy that was. I didn't have to type the command. I just asked it. Here's the file on the desktop. Create a symlink to my documents. Boom, done. So now we have AI at a command level. I could have asked it to copy the file, move the file, edit the file. I can ask it to generate content. I can say, generate a detailed story about a cow that loves going on adventures. Give the story a twist and introduce a sidekick character. Okay, so we're asking generate a detailed story. Boom, generate a story. So now it's going to generate a story, and then it should save it to my desktop, or ask to save it to my desktop, hopefully. Let's see. Now, the AI can also do multi-step executions. See there? Oh, yeah, it does ask, save to desktop. Boom, done. So there's a cow adventure. Boom, done. Let's go. Open, and there we go. There's our story. Not a very long story. We didn't really specify how many words or anything. But as you can see there, it generated the story. This is especially useful if you just want to quickly right-click and generate a blog post or something. Very, very useful. Template for work, files, anything, whatever. Resume, letter, resignation letter, whatever you want to do. So very useful for that. It's also useful for things like check my system logs for any critical errors and save them to errors.log. Okay, so I'm asking check my system logs for any critical errors and save them to errors.log. Boom, done. Now let's see. There we go. Yes, and it's now going to look for errors. Boom, done. Let's check it out. Let's see if any errors came up there. Yeah, ooh, there we go. Error. It's pulled out all the errors. Okay, so gpaste, kernel, cinnamon. This is probably all stuff while I was busy building the framework. So anyway, so as you can see, you can ask the AI pretty much anything. Like, it is so useful for just doing things, copying things, analyzing things, checking things, generating things, whatever, finding commands, issuing commands, multi-layered commands as well. Very, very, very useful. So this is our first integration of command level AI on the back end of the distro. And I've tried, like I said, I tried to make it simple. Just right click, AI request, type your request, click send, yes to execute. That's it. No, nothing else. We did put the extra step of yes to execute. I think some people might feel annoyed. Do I really have to click yes every time? Well, yes, it's a safety mechanism. You can see what it's going to do, then you approve. If we don't add that step, the AI will just do whatever in the background and you won't know what it's doing. And that's not a good thing. You want to see what is it going to do and then click OK. So that's the reason we put that extra step in there. I know it's an extra click, but it's for your safety. Anyway, so this is awesome. So this is now the next part. I've got a whole list, and I mean my list is so long, of things to do this year to implement into AIOS. Like I said in yesterday's video, it's going to be a whole AI operating system. We've got now AI wallpaper, AI theming, AI screen recorders, AI audio recorders, AI menu, AI desktop widget. We've got AI terminal chat. We now have generating commands and generating documents on the desktop using AI. We have AI image editing, AI document editing. This is all in here already. We even have the AI weather. So if you click on weather, it launches the AI weather. And we updated this, by the way. So you can see it's analyzing data. There we go. There's the weather conditions. Rendering image should come through soon as well. So like AI is pretty much everywhere at the moment, but this year I'm going to make it more efficient, and I'm going to actually put it in on the command level. So that's going to be, as you saw now in the first patch. I'm just going to keep expanding from here onwards. Next in the works is a system coder. I'm working on a system coder. It's not finished yet. There's quite a lot still to do, but there is a system coder. An AI system coder is also on its way. Anyway, the guys that haven't yet, the Patreon guys that haven't grabbed it yet, go to Patreon, get the links there, or check your email. It should be in your email. Grab it from there. Check out AIOS. Make sure to patch today's patch. If you right click and you see AI request, then you have it. If you don't see that, then you haven't patched yet. Yeah, have fun with it, enjoy. It's really awesome, runs very well, and is beautiful. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.